In this video, I'll walk you through how to open and use the Astute Manager panel inside Adobe Illustrator. This intuitive traffic light themed panel gives team members real-time feedback on your shared assets, letting you know instantly when they're up to date or out of sync. The Astute Manager application automatically installs this plugin for you, so there's no need to install it yourself, and you can find the panel by going to the Window menu, Astute Graphics, and Astute Manager. This panel stays in communication with the Astute Manager application and lets you know if an asset you're using is out of sync with the uploaded team assets. When everything is up to date, you'll see a green light. If I'm using a saved asset like this brush that's out of sync with my team's assets, I'll see the red traffic light on the panel. This lets me know that my team manager has re-uploaded the brush and a new version is available for me to download from Astute Manager. Along with the red light on the panel, the button now reads See Changes. And when I click the See Changes button, the Astute Manager application opens right to the asset library that's been updated. And I can see an update icon next to the brush, which lets me know it's out of sync, and the updated brush is available for me to download. So I'll click the Download and Install button, which downloads the new brush, replacing the outdated asset, and it installs it directly into the Illustrator folder system on my computer and into the user-defined folder in my Brushes panel. It won't show up in my Downloads folder. It's now fully installed into Illustrator. And when I go back to Illustrator, I can go to the Brushes panel Libraries, then to my user-defined folder, and open the freshly installed brush library. It still has the same name as before, and when I click the brush to add it to my Brushes panel for this document, we now have both brushes. Now I can select my art and click the new brush to apply it, and you have the choice to delete the old brush from this document if you wish. If you need to locate your team assets within the Astute Manager app, go to the left navigation and click Asset Manager, then Illustrator, and I'm now inside the User Settings area where my personal backups are kept. So I'll click on the Team Settings tab, and this is where I can work with my team assets and see the brush set I just installed. And the update icon is gone, so I know my brushes are in sync with my team. With the traffic light themed Astute Manager panel, it's easy to check the status of my team assets. Keeping the panel docked and available makes it convenient to stay up to date. The green light shows me my assets are in sync, and if you need to double check, you can always click the refresh button to refresh this connection and check for any updates. As we've already seen, the red light shows that some assets have changed, and clicking the See Changes button takes me to Astute Manager to update them. And it also clears the red light warning whether or not you update, so it's best to complete that update directly after clicking the See Changes button. With the Astute Manager panel in Adobe Illustrator, you'll always know the status of your team assets and never miss a beat in your creative workflow.